So I am back to start organizing my makeup collection. My makeup collection to some people is probably like nothing. Like it's small, like to the beauty gurus that have been beauty gurus for years and years and years and have tons and tons of product, it's probably nothing. But for me, and for some people, it's like, wow, that's a lot of makeup. So I am just trying to organize though, because as I've gotten more consistent with making videos and doing reviews and stuff like that and buying more product just like actively, it's just my drawers are so cluttered and everything, and I just really don't like it. So I'm going to try to make it a little more cute, a little more aesthetically pleasing. Please disregard the fact that I have these little acne stickers on. The mask name, it's really just horrible. So yeah, I just have these little stickers on while I'm just around the house and doing little things. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how I am organizing everything. I think I'm just going to move everything off of my dresser, and I need to get rid of some old makeup that I've had for years and years and years. I need to, just reorganize the drawers. I bought this extra container to store some stuff in because, like, as you can see, I have stuff in those kind of containers now. Like, obviously not the cutest and classiest of things, but like it works, it's functional. But what I hate is, like, you see my complexion drawer, it's just, first of all, the fact that it's all thrown in here like that is not my cup of tea. Second of all, it's just hard to open. Like, I can't even put this foundation in there. So yeah, it's just little things like that need to organize. I don't like that I got eyelashes just chilling. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to try to just make this cuter. And I think what I need to do is really just spread it all out. Probably on my filming table right here. There's some beauty blenders that I had, recently cleaned, but I think I'm just gonna like move it all out on here and like move all my makeup brushes. They're all clean, but these containers kind of are like smudgy and stuff, so I feel like these need to get a good wash too. So yeah, we're gonna just revamp this. I'm slightly overwhelmed. I am, because I was like, I can do this in an hour, and now I'm like, can I do this in an hour? I don't know. I feel like I can, possibly. I just need to figure out where I want to divide everything up into. But I'm just tired of it looking junky and not cute. And I've already done my bathroom project today. It looks really nice, but it just took longer than I wanted it to. And I wanted to do my jewelry, which is over there, but that requires some DIY. And I'm like, oh, I'm a little tired. Do I want to do that? But then I'm also like, I want to just get it out of the way so I can move on with my room. Like, not renovation, but just like redoing my room. Because, yeah, I have like kind of put it on hold, and I just need the finishing touches. So I've done some DIYs today, and I might do the rest. I don't know. But I need to focus on this. I have some Netflix I might just watch to pass the time. And yeah, I'm gonna speed this up so you all can see me organize it. And yeah, pretty much right now, what I have, if you're interested, this is a new basket I'm gonna try to organize stuff into. But in this big thing, which it's kind of blocked and it's heavy, but on the bottom I have complexion, in the middle I have lips, and on the top I have eyes. In here I have tools, and then in the middle I have more tools, I think. In the bottom I have eyelashes, and then in the top of this container I have right here is smaller eyeshadow palettes, lashes in the second one, and then just like random miscellaneous stuff. And then I have my perfumes right here. So I bought this new thing hoping I can just divide some of this up and make it look a little more clean. It's just like a lot of junk sitting on top of stuff. And that's where it just, my soul, it's too much. So here we go. I'm trying to really repurpose things that I already have instead of buying a lot of stuff, because I don't have a lot of wiggle room in my budget to be buying a lot of stuff, and I want to make this room redo as reasonable as possible. So because it is temporary, I'm only at home for, I've been here a year. I will be here no longer than another year because woo, yes. But this little case right here was like $7. So yeah, and that basket I think was like $3. So really reasonable. Already, so I've cleaned out some stuff, put the pallets where they need to be. I've already started a trash pile over here of just packaging and stuff that needs to go in the trash. And now I have all of my array of organizers, and I'm just gonna divide it up like lashes, lip products, eyeliners, and complexion products, and just get this more together, really. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the final result. I honestly think it looks 10 times better. Like, it's just so much more cleaner, just like a really clean cut look. Like, do you see this? It was just a mess before. It's not like a ton of clutter on the top. Everything has place. I really love that I covered each section with some paper. I got this glitter paper from like Hobby Lobby craft store or something, and it just doesn't show like 50 million, you know, different colored eyeliners. It just, that doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. It looks just unfinished and it's just too much going on. But now it's just so clean cut. And then like, these are the only lipsticks that I have like a ton of the same, and they're mini, so they kind of slide out of this holder, but I had this holder that my mom found and I just like the way it looks, so that's why I put those out there, because I don't have like enough of the same kind to like put in this little display, but I think that looks like so cute and classy. And then I have all my makeup brushes on these lower containers, just because it kind of evens it out with this taller one. And then I put all my palettes in the corner here in this white basket, because they always were just falling all over the place, sliding all around, and that does not look good. It's also just not functional and annoying. And then back here I have some perfumes stuck back there and some setting sprays stuck back there, just kind of hidden so it doesn't kind of distract from the flow of like this white canvas. I don't know. And then I have my mirror in that corner. I like this so much more. I think it's so much more functional, so nice too, and just more clean cut. So yeah,